I'm Dr. Alex Otto and the founder of Kids Tooth Team Pediatric Dentistry. So Kids Tooth Team is a pediatric dental practice. We see children 0 to 18 years old, including those with special healthcare needs. We wanted to create an environment at Kids Tooth Team where children can receive care in the safest, cleanest environments possible and know that they were getting care by the best trained doctors, by the best trained assistants in the world. And so that's really our philosophy here is every kid deserves that no matter where they live, no matter their socioeconomic status. We wanted them to have access to that level and quality of care. As far as planning treatment, I really try and have a minimally invasive mindset with children. You don't want to do any unnecessary work. So it's really important that we take a holistic approach to the dentistry and really try and figure out what's best for that child and their individual needs. So both of my residencies were based in hospitals. So I did a one-year general practice residency, and I also did a 2-year pediatric focused residency program. And again, not every child needs a sedation procedure. Not every child needs to be asleep for their treatment. But when you do need your child to be asleep for treatment, you should feel comfortable going to someone who's done a ton of those procedures and feels really comfortable with that. So as soon as you walk into Kids Tooth Team, you're greeted here at our reception desk. The great thing about Kids Tooth Team is that it's completely paperless, so everything in the office is digital. You can check in right here on this iPad through the computer system, and it's really easy. We'll walk you through it, but it's great because you can totally touchless check in. So this is our kids' play area. Kiddos can come in here as soon as you check in. We've got a little reading nook, some iPads in the corner, and then we also have this great interactive screen. So up to 4 kids at once can come in and play games at the same time, or they can turn it into a whiteboard and draw directly onto it. So mom and dad will sit on the bench over here. We'll lean the baby back and we'll do the toothbrushing and counting their teeth right here in this room, which is great for children under 3. This is our financial coordinator's office. So as soon as we're done treatment planning, we have you come over here. We like our parents to be as educated as possible about their insurance and benefits, so we're happy to assist you with that here. This is our open bay hygiene area. So this is where kiddos will come in and get their dental cleanings and dental exams done. I hope you notice that each individual station has their own Bluetooth setup so that they can watch whatever movie they want while they're getting their cleanings done. This is one of our dental treatment rooms. This is also where we do all of our in-office anesthesia procedures and sedation procedures. The biggest difference in a pediatric dentist and a general dentist is that the pediatric dentist gets a lot of extra training in behavior management while they're in residency. It's a 2-year additional training beyond dental school, and so we get to create an environment where it's super kid focused, super kid friendly. All of our assistants are specially trained in pediatrics as well, and just makes it a lot easier for kiddos to come in, have a great experience, and for it to be successful. Children with special healthcare needs, we really take our time and go slow. I like showing them, the things that we're going to do before we do it in the most kid-friendly way possible. And I really like talking to parents ahead of time and seeing what it is that makes your kid tick and what makes your kid different so that we can make it the best possible experience for them. So if they have a favorite movie, that'd be great to know so that we can get it on the TV before they even come in the room. We have state-of-the-art technology at Kids Tooth Team. We have really amazing intraoral cameras that we can take pictures of the child's teeth and the parent can see it in real time on the big screen. So it makes it a lot easier to communicate exactly what's going on. Our panoramic machine is state-of-the-art. It can go all the way down almost to the floor so that a child in a wheelchair can also have the x-rays that they need. Bluetooth headphones at every single station in the office, which kids love, and it's a lot more enjoyable to listen to your favorite movie than have to listen to the suction and all the handpieces and all the things that are going on. We have a sedation suite in our office that's intentionally made bigger to accommodate all the equipment that an anesthesiologist would need to be able to come into the office and offer in-office IV or general anesthesia to our patients. I also do in-office oral sedations, and I also do in-office intranasal sedations. So that's one of the things that we do at the exam appointment is assess your child, what they need, and which, if any, of those sedation options are going to be best for them. And so that's a decision that you and I go through together, and we figure out the best thing for your kid together, whatever that may be. I want every parent to leave here and just be completely wowed by the experience. I want them to be surprised that the second that they walk in the door, they're asked if we can grab them a coffee or a water. I want the kids to just be amazed at all the fun things that we have for them in the playroom, that everyone here is family. We want them to leave feeling warmed and welcomed and that they're a part of our family here at Kids Tooth Team. What makes Kids Tooth Team successful is our incredible team. Every step of the way, you're gonna meet someone who is warm and welcoming and will just go out of their way to make sure that you have an incredible visit. My dental assistants are able to get x-rays and help talk kids through a treatment in ways that I've never seen with other people that I've worked for, so they're just wonderful. So it's really a team approach. It's not about me as the doctor, it's not about anyone else. It's about the whole team getting together to make your visit as successful and wonderful as possible, and we wouldn't be here without them. They're really amazing. At Kids Tooth Team, we are dedicated to elevating the quality and expanding the availability of children's oral health care in our community. We look forward to meeting you, and thank you so much for trusting us with your families.